Yeah, hello everyone. So Redwood have a lot of features as you are aware, and one of the feature that I like is having the ability to add graphs charts on the layouts as well. So like example, you can add some graphs on the create layout, on the edit layout as well. So let's see how we can use them. So today I will use a OJ meter circle, one of the Oracle Jet component. So we will use that component to track the opportunity performance using the win probability. So let's start. So let's go to configuration, Visual Builder. Okay, so we already have a project. So if you don't know how to create the project, how to deploy your changes, how to delete or roll back your changes, then you can check our Oracle Visual Builder Administration playlist. So we already have that project. Let's navigate to our project and let's navigate to our workspace. Okay, instead of using the old branch, let me create a new branch for you. So we will go to Git and let's go to refs and create a new branch from the main branch. So what we can do, let's click here and create a branch. Let's give it a name, test, test meter circle. Okay, let's click create. So we have created a branch from the main branch. So let's go to workspace. Let's navigate to this workspace. So now what I will do, I will switch to my new branch. So I will click on the switch branch or sandbox and let's select my own branch, test meter circle component. So I have selected the new branch and let's click on switch. So now here if you see the branch name has changed. So let me click on the layouts. Okay, so I cannot see the sales dependency. So I need to add the sales dependency so that I can make changes in the sales application. So what I will do, I will go to dependency, customer experience, and here I will add the sales dependency. I will click on plus, add dependency. So that's done. So now if I will go to layouts, now I can see the sales, right? So now I can start making changes on the sales application. So firstly, let me open the app UI for opportunity object so that we can see the changes, whatever we are doing. So I will go to sales, CX sales, and then opportunities. So let's open the list layout. Let's drill down to this record. So we are on the detail page. Now let's navigate to the edit page by clicking on the details. So on the edit page, I want to add the OJ meter circle gauge graph I want to add. So let's see. So let's go to the layouts and sales and let's go to the opportunity object. Okay, here it's opportunities. Now I want to make changes on the edit layout. So let's drill down to edit layout. So this is the by default layout that is given by Oracle. So let's click on duplicate and create our own layout. Click duplicate. Now let's drill down here. Now we have a name. So what I want, let me drill, let me write the win probability on the second number. And then let me have the sales stage ID and then sales method ID. Let's keep it like this. So instead of showing the number, I want to show it as a graph. So let's see how we can do this. So let's add a template here. Meter circle template. Okay, let's click on create. So let's remove this and let's add the component meter circle. See this one. and let's drag and drop here. Now what we want, so let's click on the data, and here what should be the value? Value should be whatever value is coming from the setup and maintenance configuration. So that value we want to capture here. So what we will do, variables, instead of doing that, let's select the value only. Whatever is the value of the field, the template will use that field value only. Okay, so now let's click on the edit and see how it is showing now. Okay, so it's 10, it's showing like this. So let me change to discovery. So now 20, 50. But look and feel is not good, right? So I don't want this. So what I want, if the win probability is less than 50, then I want a red color. If it's 50 to 80, then I want yellow color. If it's greater than 80, then green color. So some coloring also I want to give. So what I will do, I will add the color property also. So I will give the HTML color codes also. So what I am saying here, like if value is greater than 80, then the green color. If it's false, then it will come here into the else condition. Then it will check if the value is greater than 50, then yellow, otherwise red. So let's test this. So now it's red, it's 10 currently. Let's change it to okay 40, then red. Now it's 50, then it became yellow. If it's greater than 80, now it's 90, that's why it's green. But still it's not looking good, right? There should be some value in the center also, then only the look and feel will look good, right? So let's do the changes also. Let's add something in the middle also. So what we will do, we will go to general, and here is the style. Okay, we will configure the style later. Let's add the center template first. Let's add label in the center. Let's navigate here. In the text, what we want to show? We want to show the value only. Whatever is the value of the field, that only we want to show. Then how we will show? Same like this. So what we will do, we will come here in the variables and select the value. That's it. So now we have added a center template also. That is a label only. So let's see how it is looking. Oh, it's coming like this. So let's take it to the center first. So we need to do some alignment for this. Okay, so we want label in the center only. So what we will do, we can use a class also. So we can OG helper text align center. So it will align the text in the center. So let's see. So now we can see it's in the middle, right? So now we have to use some padding to keep it in the middle only, right? So let's see how we can do that. So now let me add the padding also. So style padding top in 31 pixel, font size 20 pixel. So let me test this now. See. So let me click on the preview. Let's see how will it look. See, now it's open in the preview window. So now if I will change the to discovery, then 20, 40. So whatever configuration you have done, according to that, win probability is changing, and our template is using the data from the win probability, and the OJ meter circle is using that data and showing it on the UI accordingly. So now it's yellow 50. Now it's 90, that's why it's showing 90, and it's 100. So that is one example I have used the OG meter. So there are hundreds of components available so that you can try. So we will try to cover some more components in the further sessions, but hope that is clear how we can use the graphs on the edit layout. Okay, thank you for joining this session. Goodbye.